Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my lovely and wonderful subscribers. If you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Welcome. It is a Nigerian snack recipe. We are going to be making tasty, wonderful Nigerian chin chin. My kids love the snack. I love the snack growing up. I love to eat it anyway. I didn't like doing the hard labor of making it because I know whenever my mother say, oh, we're going to make chin chin, I will start crying before the job start. But yes, I love eating this snack when I was little, and my kids love eating it now. Like, they will bother me like, when are you going to make chin chin? Or even if I didn't make chin chin and we end up in African shop, they will always ask me to buy chin chin. So yes, we are going to be making this chin chin. Welcome. And yeah, recipe I am going to be using 2 cups of flour. I'm going to be using butter, salt, baking powder, sugar, 1 egg, cinnamon, milk, and vegetable oil. So now I'm going to add my flour. I'm adding 2 cups of flour, okay? And I'm going to sieve it. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of sugar, okay? 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And I'm going to mix all my dry ingredients together. So now I'm going to add my butter. I'm using 1/8 cup of butter. Forgot to mention, for people that doesn't like cinnamon or can't get cinnamon, you can always use a nutmeg, okay? So now I'm going to crack open my egg. I'm going to mix. It's time to add our liquid ingredients. So I'm going to add my egg. So now guys, I am going to add my milk. If you are not using milk, if you use powdered milk, not liquid milk, then at this point you have to use water to mold your flour even further. Because I'm using liquid milk, I am not going to be using water. So guys, at this point I'm going to cut my dough. You can see how my dough is. If you mix your dough very well, you do not need to sprinkle flour because it would not stick. I'm going to work on my surface for now. I'll knead it even more further. I might cut it again because I want to work in small pieces. So I'm going to flatten my dough. So I'm going to move it here to cut because I don't want to cut on my surface. So now guys, we're going to add our oil. I'm going to put my oil on the stove and I'm going to start getting it ready. So now guys, I'm going to check if our oil is hot. I'll leave it for a bit more. It's not that hot yet. So guys, it is time to start adding our chin chin in the oil. So I'm going to keep turning it to avoid it from sticking together. Guys, I'm going to start taking my chin chin off from the stove. This is the color that I normally like to fry my chin chin. I don't like it too dark. So guys, I am going to repeat this process until I am finished frying all my chin chin. So guys, this is our chin chin. It is ready. I left it to dry off. Okay, so after I finish frying it, I just sprayed it and just leave it to dry. And I have a little bit here on the plate here, just allowing them to dry. And if you look, some of them are lighter than others. This side is a bit browner and this side is a bit whiter. I do like my chin chin a bit whiter than brown, so you can basically fry it anyhow you prefer your chin chin. If you prefer it browner or if you prefer it, you know, darker, whichever way you like to fry your chin chin is totally up to you. So I am going to store this inside a container. This can last for a good bit in this container. Okay, there's one I made a month ago that lasted till like today, that I'm making another one. So store it in a airtight container so that it can it can remain crunchy whenever you want it. So guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. Our chin chin is looking so good and so tasty. It is not too soft. Yeah, it is not too soft, but it is still a bit crunchy and it is so delicious and so juicy. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.